Hey there, this is Anil, and in this video I am gonna unbox a tripod that I ordered through Flipkart. So let's start the video. This is the pack of the tripod that I ordered. It's a security cover. It has no branding, it is only written tripod 3110 made in China. On the side it's written tripod 3110, 3-way head, built-in level, 4-section aluminum legs, quick lever lock. Here it states 3-way pen head, 4-section legs, quick lever lock, rubber leg tip. On this side only a picture of the tripod. On this side same information is written here. Here the length of the tripod is written and the weight also. So let's unbox it. Keep it aside. This is the bag that you get with the tripod. So let's unbox. You also get a mobile holder. It seems durable. You have no other box contents, only the tripod and the mobile holder. This is the bag that you get. It's a nice tripod. It also has a bubble indicator. It rotates 360 degree and it has many lever locks. You can put this mobile holder over here. You can put it here and shoot your videos. It has 3 lever locks. You can put it like this. And one more part is there which can be expanded like this. If you don't want, then you can simply put it inside. You can take it anywhere. You can put it inside this bag and take it everywhere, wherever you want. So let me show you how it looks when it is fully extended. So please watch the video till the end. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment on the video and please share the video.